One shot, by the
Stop
way.
that
He's
shit.
fully
One shot.
healed.
Like, stop shaking.
Nice
Bro.
one.
Just one shot.
B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yo, HQ2 wavy.
Who's that?
In the cut. Make
Oh
him
my
suck
God.
on my nut.
I'm in the women's club.
Nice. You, shut up.
Buddy, you're
What
under
do you want
me.
me in a Minecraft build battle?
Racist. I literally got more kills. Is this guy snoring?
Play? One of the cards is actually insane. Bolton.
Well, in real life.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Get across here.
Yeah, I didn't know how to play that.
Focus on me. Nice.
Do more,
I'm 20 and 11 on Sage and we're losing
And
10 to
it's-
6.
man.
Well, I guess he just got a 3K or 4K, so.
I'm not dying, bro. Oh!
Turn on that damn phone.
Raj and CT.
He's right there, trigger. Nice.
I thought Omen sounded more like.
This guy just goes in blinded. This guy brain dead? Look, I'm fully blind. He's nigga what?
Yo, my disc is gonna crash. Because I said middle. This guy doesn't turn around. So happy.
Okay, jeez. Shut up, Anthony. He's clutching.
Nice!
That's my.
No way this guy steals Jet, right? Jet's hopping site, Sage in now. I'll be right back.
Freaking. Hey.
Stamina. Hey.
Walker.
Hey.
Jack, can you drop your classic?
Good all.
Yo, he's sight. Just wait at the ult.
Molly.
I should just popped it before. Unlucky.
Yeah, that's not bad, my bad.
Last one, heaven, last one.
Oh my god, I just went like 4 times overkill. Alive. I've won these before. I won a 1v1 P5 as the 5.
Oh my god, you're.
Oh, stamina, man. Why do you
Yo.
always like run up here and then run back?
That's my
like you're
boyfriend.
gonna-
Wavy.
Alright, fuck it. Here, I'll just steal it.
Oh!